No.
How are you letting him do that one?
Kermi.
I bit my finger really hard there.
That's it.
Oh fuck.
He's like attacking you. Look at him looking at his ears. Come here, honey. Hi, you're friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
He is to me. Now go to Owen. Step up. Oh, he's getting angry.
I'm waiting for the taste smacks.
Hi. Step up, please. Thank you. Just stay still. I won't let him bite you again. No.
See, that wasn't
Why does he go for his ears?
That's a tantrum. He wants to bite Owen.
Don't you dare. He's so mean. Budgies are meant to be friendly.
Bullying me. I can't wait to fling him across the room. See if you can fly now, bitch.
Oh, no. Kermi, leave my bro. He's actually attacking
He
him.
went from my eye.
Come here, baby.
Is he on me?
Yeah, he's watching you. He's waiting for you to sit up.
Right, don't throw blood all over me. Calm yourself down.
Just sit up on.
Take a seat for me
Oh,
there.
here he comes. No!
Take a seat. Take a seat for me there.
What happened to her? What happened to her?
Why? What's the...
Fucking blood all down her face.
Probably got better round.